if you see here the valves, look at this. The valve, they have the retainer, they have the keys, the retainer, and the spring. We are going to use the clamp to remove the valve. All right, this is the process. We are going to put this face in the face of the valve. Anybody follow me? In the face of the valve. And this one here in the face of the spring. Yeah? We are going to open here a little. You see? Now we are going to verify if we have a better. I think that is better, no? And here, look, with the camera, we are going to approximate.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. And now I need a man here to compress.
Okay.
And you compress. Mira. Yeah. Yeah, compress. You remove the springs. Yeah. No, now release slowly. Slowly. Okay, now release. Okay, and you open over there, Dr. Kevin. Excuse me, Ernesto.
This one,
More, Ernesto. Okay, guys, and now the tool is out, and now this one is free, and now I have the keys, and I have this, and I have this.
Now you can push out.
And now I can push out the valves. And now I can analyze what happened. I have a lot of carbon deposits. And I don't know if this one is not sitting properly in the seat of the valve. You see? We are going to bring the wire wheel. We are going to clean that area, and we are going to seat the valve here. Okay? Okay. Let me try to remove another valve here in this engine. Look at this, my friends. In some cases, if the head is on the block, is bolted on the block, I cannot use the C-clamp. The C-clamp could be used if the head is out. But if the head is on place, I don't have that option. This is why I can use this tool. This tool have a lobes here. When I compress that one, you see? I compress the spring. This is nice. We are going to try to remove a valve here.
That tool,
Excuse me?
That tool, what is it called?
A spring compressor valve. A spring valve compressor. Okay, I put here pretty close, you see? And now, like a man, I compress. And other guy with the magnet, other man with the magnet. What is the magnet?
Right
Bring the magnet, the orange handle. The orange. You are ready, Ernesto. Yep. To keep out the springs. Papa, the springs here. Excuse me 1 second. Go ahead. Okay, one spring. Yeah, remove it.
Remove it. Another one.
And the other one
Hold
here.
It.
No.
Work. This one. Tight. You need more power.
Can you someone stick it in there? Can't do it.
No.
Excuse me, I don't see.
No.
No.
More. You
Okay.
need more pressure
Yeah.
with the.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah.
You're trying to do the retaining clip.
Okay. Almost. Nope.
That's what I like to do.
No.
Hey, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay, lock.
Okay.
Okay, pay attention to this. I have the spring in my hands. I have the valve. And now I have, look, I have the seal. You see the seal? The seal enter over there, and the seal goes out here. And now the valve could be going.
Finger. That's
Okay.
the Spanish version.
Look at the wear of this valve. Dani, qué pena contigo. Te traes el grinder que está ahí, te lo traes la pulidora, el grinder, mira, tráelo con la mesita. Esto lo puedes jalar ahí. Y lo conectamos acá. We are going to clean the valve. we are going to remove the carbon deposit. Okay, look at this valve. When I clean the valve, I discovered that this valve hit
Oh, it's broken.
the piston. It's not broken, but hit the pistons in some moment, no? And yeah, in that point was, you see, this is why that valve
leak.
don't close properly,
Yeah.
because have a dent over there. And also, normally when you remove the valve, before you remove the valve, you need try to verify if the valve have lateral movement. If the valve have lateral movement, you have to must play, and you need to replace the guide of the valve. The guide of the valve is an insert, metallic insert like this length, where the valve move it. If you have play between the valve guide and the valve, you need to replace. You need to send the head to the machine shop. They replace the valve guides and they replace the seats